Welcome, friends. A slow-spoken podcast for you. I am so tired today. My mind needs rest sometimes. Even the strongest minds need quiet moments to breathe and recharge.
Anna, you are working so hard. You've done your best today, Anna. Now it's time to rest and let peace refill your energy.
I know that, Sam, but I have to finish my project today. Can't rest now.
I know, Anna, but don't forget, even a short pause can give your mind the strength to finish strong. You really need to take a break. Come on, Anna. Let's step out for a while. A bit of fresh air will make you feel much better.
I'm not kidding, Emma. Get ready. We're heading out on a nature trip today. No excuses this time.
Wow, it's beautiful out here. The sunlight gently warms my face, and the cool breeze feels so refreshing. Look at these adorable little birds fluttering around, their tiny wings moving so fast as they hop from branch to branch, chirping joyfully like they're singing just for us. I really love walking around here. Every step feels light and free. The sound of leaves crunching beneath my feet, the gentle rustle of the trees, and the soft scent of nature all calm my thoughts. This is exactly what I needed. A quiet, open space where my mind can breathe and feel alive again. You know, in the city, I always try to control everything: my time, my work, my plans. But here, I feel so nice and refreshing.
The sunset is so beautiful. It feels so perfect, so quiet and peaceful. Just both of us.
I think today I didn't escape life. I returned to it. Now let's go home. It's getting late. Thank you for bringing me here. I really enjoyed. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope today's talk reminded you to slow down, breathe, and treat yourself gently. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep being kind to yourself.